Tell me, where have you been, my blue-eyed son? Where have you been, my darling younger one? Well, I've stumbled down the side of 12 misty mountains. I've walked and I've crawled over 6 crooked highways. I stepped out in the middle of 7 sad falls. I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. It's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain's gonna fall. Tell me, what did you hear, my blue-eyed son? What did you hear, my darling young one? 100 drummers, their hands were blazing. 10,000 whispering and nobody listening. Heard one person starve, I heard many people laughing. I heard the song of a poet who died in the gutter. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain gonna fall. It's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain's gonna fall. Well, what'll you do now, my blue-eyed son? What'll you do now, my darling young one? Well, I'll walk through the depths of the deepest black vaults, where the people are many and their hands are all empty, where the pellets of poison are flooding the water. And I'll know my song well before I start singing. It's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain.